What's up? It's Mike Orlando from Adrenaline Mob and Stereo Satellite. In this lesson, I'd like to go into the technique again called Chicken-Pickin. I like to incorporate this into a rock technique and do different, styles of the technique itself. This one is from a song of mine called Burn off a Sonic Stomp 2 album, and it just incorporates a lot of chromatic chicken-picking, which again is the pick-pluck technique. I'll show you the lick fast, break it down, and tell you everything about it. Okay, so the lick broke down slow is in A. Again, you could do this in any scale, any key. This is just the where I do the song. So it's based off of a pick-pluck technique. So it's the low A, and it goes from the A on the D string to the A, the G, the A. But what I do is I pull those off to an open string. So I'm picking the low A, and then I'm doing a pull-off. So it's a pull-off back and forth type of lick, and then I also jump to the C note on the G and do the same thing. I pull off there. So together would be, which is the basic groove of the song. It's a fast, up-tempoed song, so that's the main part of the lick. I'll do it slow again. And then what I'll do is I'll go to this chromatic style chicken-picking technique, which again, pick-pluck. I'm doing it on two strings adjacent to each other. So it's the B and the E, and then the G and the B, and then the D and the G, and then the A and the D to the low A. And what I'm doing is the high note is basically the dominant, and the pick note is more to reinforce that percussive that double type thing. It is a note, and it is boxed right on top of the main note. So and I'll do this type of technique where I'm kind of putting it's the first muscle, the joint on your finger, and it works if you kind of just slap it back down. Or you could bar it, but just make sure that you mute the strings. Again, that's always a key to this staccato type of chicken-picking licks, muting the strings. So palm mute across everything. Keeps it nice and clean and punchy. So slow. So fast, both of them together. Okay, so the next part of the lick is incorporating some slides and pull-offs, a group of two notes. One's based on sixths, and one is a minor third with pull-offs on the G string. So the dominant note on the first pair is the B, because it's going to be a pull-off. So you're always going to the B note, and the minor third one is a pull-off to the open G, so that would be the dominant. So I'm going to play it fast and then break it down and explain it to you. So again, groups of two with a pull-off. These are sixths. And both pairs are moving chromatically, descending down the neck. And the other one is the minor thirds, and pulling off to the open G string. And then I just end it with a fast trill, a hammer-on. So the last lick is based on the first lick, but what I'm doing is taking that descending chromatic scale that I did and I'm ascending up the strings starting on the low A. So I'll do it slow. So it's the same downstroke pick, pluck, the Chicken-Pickin style 2 strings adjacent, the A jumping to the D, right under each other, box pattern. Just stay in this 4-note chromatic pattern and just move it down the strings. Same palm muting technique, same as the beginning, keeps it clean, keeps it punchy. I'll do it up to speed.